Hello guys, welcome to TECHHELPLINE. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to add profile picture on ProtonMail. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. ProtonMail is an end-to-end encrypted email service founded in 2013 in Geneva, Switzerland. It uses client-side encryption to protect email content and user data before they are sent to ProtonMail servers, unlike other common email providers such as Gmail and Outlook.com. Since this mail system is concerned about user data, they never added the feature for adding the profile picture. I hope they add this feature in future because it is just boring to not have any profile picture while sending email. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.